how to update the Netflix app on your Android device. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with an official way in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So for that, on our Android device, we can open up the Google Play Store application, tap on it in order to open it up. And once we open it up, we can just go over and look at for search and type in Netflix and its app base. So type in Netflix and head over to their app page. It is. Tap on it and you will be taken to this page. Now if an update is available, you'll be seeing an update button. We can tap on that option and then just go over and wait for some seconds and wait for the update to download and install. You can just go and complete it up. Once done, you can open up the Netflix and it will be on the newest version. And if you do not see a Netflix update button yet, that means that your Netflix application is already up to date and you do not need to update it. And if even after update, if your application is not working, try checking your internet connection. Also, you can restart your device and try again, and again, access your application. And also keep your Android system updated, as sometimes app updates require new Android versions. But that is it, everybody. Those are probably the method if you want to update the Netflix app on your Android. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.